Right.
And what we fail, I have an invention and discernment. I can the thing is, the discernment part is where I get good at troubleshooting. By nature, I'm a troubleshooter.
Right.
I can look at the parts and see where they fit. The moment I get to about 90% done on that project, I'm already bored with it. This is why I was a good guy turning around stores and turning around businesses, because I enjoyed the challenge. I saw where all the problems were. The
Right.
moment that store was functional and profitable and doing what it was supposed to be doing, I was out of there. I'm done. I'm looking for the next challenge.
Right.
I didn't enjoy managing long term and just staying there, increasing incrementally. Now, that didn't make me an entrepreneur. It made me entrepreneurial. I was an entrepreneur, and I was a darn good manager. But
Right.
I had my skills of capable and don't mind of using intuition to evaluate assets and ideas and plans. I can take a plan, assess it from start to finish, and say, this is probably where it's going to fall apart for you.
Right.
And know that as a coach.
Right.
It's kind of like you sit there as a little league coach and you see the kid who has a natural swing. You see, and you say, okay, he's easier to coach, right? Because he's got a natural swing. But
Right.
what happens when the kid is hard-headed because he also knows he's good, and it gets to his head, and then now you got to deal with that.
Right. Oh yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So yeah, the kid has speed. You can't teach speed.
Right.
You can assess that.
Right.
So those are the things that so that this opens up your eyes to say how you feel about things is completely natural, because what happens is, even from like the people around you, your spouse or somebody, says you start things, you don't finish. You get involved in so many things, but you don't, stick to one thing.